Hello people, what shall I achieve this Asun meat recipe? This is the updated version. Look at that. Come, let's do it together. Added my meat, salt, added water. I'll cover it and allow it to boil. So here it has boiled. I'll remove the water, wash properly, and I added it back to the pot. I added my meat seasoning, onion, rosemary, bay leaf. So we stay together. My missus now curry, pepper, powdered onion, ginger, garlic, tumeric, all of them are there. So I added hot water and I'll cook it until it is cooked. So I added just a slime of oil. I'll fry it until it is brown. So I'll take it out of the oil and I'll add the other ones. On my return is thank you. I also allow it to be brown. Thank you for washing. So now I pour it to my big pan. I added my blended onion, pepper, green paprika, onion, rosemary, bay leaves. So I'll stir together, guys. So at this junction, guys, I'll cover it and steam it on a very low heat. But before I cover it, I'll add the remaining meat stock. Follow me on all social platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Lady B, YouTube. Lady B Varieties is the name. So it's steamed for a while. I added my onion and I'll cover it and steam it just for another 1 minute. And now I'm going to give it a good stir. On my return is thank you. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, follow for more amazing videos. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Videos, cooking recipes, slicing of fruit, ice cream recipe. I have them all in my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be updated. So now I'll cover it and steam it. So at this point, guys, it is ready. So look at it, served. Look at that, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. I served with zobo drink and I will enjoy myself. Join me, guys. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.